name is Katose Rwada Mustafa. I am part of the DECEDA implementation team. DECEDA is a project that is about to transform the way our children learn, especially those in rural primary schools. DECEDA stands for Digitally Enabled, Community-Centered Early Childhood Development Approach. At its heart, it is about bridging the digital divide in our primary schools and giving every child a fair and smarter chance to learn, regardless of where they come from. Our goal in this project is to advance digital learning in Ugandan primary schools by putting the community at the center of change. And we will do this through inclusive ICT-based teaching models. The project is designed to reach 30 schools across all 5 regions of Uganda, and it's targeting most under-resourced areas. We will engage everyone, including the teachers, school leaders, parents, local leaders, and communities. Our key objectives include improving learning outcomes, training teachers in ICT pedagogy, and equipping schools with the tools they need for digital learning. In the long run, we aim to reduce rural-urban education gap and make digital learning a sustainable reality. We are not just adding devices to classrooms, we are changing lives. Because with the right tools, teachers are empowered, children learn better, and communities grow stronger. Let us make digital learning a right, not a privilege. Welcome to the future of education. Welcome to DECEDA.